In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple people on Gmail. Whether you're planning a party, organizing a project, or simply wanting to keep several friends or colleagues in the loop, knowing how to email multiple recipients at once is an essential skill. So, let's dive right in and learn the easiest way to do this using Gmail. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, sign into your account as you normally would. This will bring you to your inbox where you'll see all your usual messages. If you're not already familiar with it, the Compose button is usually located toward the top left of the page. Clicking this button will open a new email window. Now, in the To field of the email window, begin typing the email addresses of the people you want to message. You can simply separate each address with a comma. Gmail will often autocomplete email addresses, which can be a real time saver if the contacts are already in your address book. If you want each recipient to see who else the message was sent to, this is a good way to do it. However, if privacy is a concern, you might prefer to use the BCC field instead. Using the BCC, or blind carbon copy, field allows you to send the same email to multiple people without displaying each recipient's email address to one another. To use this feature, simply click on the BCC button that appears when you're composing the email and type your recipient's email addresses there. Again, make sure to separate each with a comma if typing manually. Once you've filled out either the To or BCC fields, or both depending on your preference, it's time to craft your message. Take a moment to consider your subject line. It should be clear and concise so your recipients know exactly what to expect when they open the email. Next, write your message in the main body of the email. Feel free to add attachments, links, or images as needed to enhance your message. Check everything over for accuracy. No one likes receiving an email with errors. When you're satisfied with your email, it's almost time to send it. Before clicking the Send button, it's always wise to double-check that you've added all your intended recipients. Make sure you've used the correct fields, To, CC, or BCC, based on how you want to handle recipients' privacy and visibility. Once everything looks perfect, click Send, and your message will be on its way to many inboxes. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email to multiple people using Gmail. Practicing this skill can make communicating much more efficient, especially in professional settings. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy emailing!